Shalom family, my name is Avila and welcome to The Wife Life. For those who are new, I am a wife and mother of 3. I am a working, stay-at-home mom and I juggle homeschool in the midst of it all. In today's video, I will be sharing my Sabbath prep / night routine. This routine pretty much is how every prep day goes for me. For those who are new, prep day is a day leading up to the Sabbath day, which is Saturday. We don't buy, sell, cook, or work on those days, so there's a lot of preparation for that day of rest. I'll be doing some grocery unloading, laundry, cooking, and much more, so let's get into today's video. So I normally grocery prep on Thursday to alleviate the long list of to-dos, but it never fails. Never fails. I always forget something, so I had to place a small grocery order with Amazon Fresh. Sometimes I use either Walmart delivery or Target delivery, whichever is most convenient, or whichever place has the items I need. But we just needed some last minute items, mainly snacks, because we love snacking on the Sabbath. What kind of snacks do you and your family like? Here I am just preparing a small snack for Eden and Mish. They always get a little hungry before nap time, which is usually around 1:30, sometimes 2. Finney naps way before then. He goes down at 1 o'clock, so this is why you don't see him here. So I just decided to give them some berries and sandwiches of their choice. For the past couple of weeks, my Lord and I have been having salads for the Sabbath, so here I'm just boiling some eggs to make sure that those are prepared before the sun goes down. So the kids decided not to take a nap today. So I don't know if it's because I was recording or what, but they did not take a nap. Normally Eden doesn't, but Mish normally takes a nap every single day. But today he was like, no. So I was like, okay, you all can help me with the unleavened bread. So they love unleavened bread. They're excited about Passover coming up. I know I am. But we're just making some basic unleavened bread. I usually make a batch every week. So they're just making some vanilla unleavened bread with me. We like to just have that cut up in a bowl to snack on as well. Now that the eggs are done, I'm just taking those out so those can rest and cool. I place them usually in ice water so they can finish off. That allows the shell to come completely off the egg. Now I'm just going to go ahead and make my coffee. So like I said, we don't cook on the Sabbath, so that includes not making any hot coffee. So I definitely make my coffee the day before. I make it how I normally make it, and then I let it cool off before I put it in the fridge for some cold, yummy coffee. As I stated earlier, my Lord and I have been having salads for the last couple weeks. So here I'm just cutting up some chicken breast and seasoning that along with some chicken thighs. No, we don't eat all this chicken on one Sabbath. We actually lunch on this on the Sabbath as well as Sundays, since Sundays are really busy for us as well. So I'm just seasoning this with some onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, smoked paprika, and parsley. Okay, now it's around 2:30 or 3 o'clock, and we are moving on to my most dreaded chore, which is folding clothes. I literally cannot stand folding clothes. The washing, I don't mind. The drying, I don't mind. But folding is just so much. With a household of 5, it's quite a bit of laundry to fold. And that's why I have to do at least one load of laundry a day. Do I fold it all? No. That's why I usually use prep day as that time to catch up on my laundry. So I hope you all enjoy. I'm just frying up some fish. I actually cook it twice, so I sear it on both sides to kind of get it kind of blackened, and then I finish cooking it in the oven for 20 minutes. So the kids are just having that with some broccoli, and they asked for a boiled egg, I guess because they saw me cooking it, so I gave that to them. Finney wasn't a fan, so I gave him some applesauce. But Usually after they eat dinner, they play for a little bit while I run their bath. This is like the most exciting part for them. They love taking baths. So yeah, they look forward to this, and I do as well, because that means it's getting closer to some mommy time and daddy time. After their baths, I usually let them play some more, run some energy out, and in that time I do take the time to go ahead and clean up the mess, get the kitchen really nice and neat and clean, the trash taken out, everything nice and clean before the sun goes down, because who likes waking up to a dirty house on the Sabbath? Now it's around 7:30, and this is usually the time when the sun is starting to go down. So this is like our wind down time. The kids normally go to bed at 7:30, but on Sabbath nights we treat them by letting them stay awake and watch a movie. So that's what you'll see them doing now. Now it's mama's time to de-stress. So here I'm going to be doing my every night skincare routine. I start by removing my makeup with some baby oil. I learned this trick from my mom a long time ago. It's the easiest way to get makeup off. And I just use a baby wipe to wipe all of the makeup off my face. Then I'm gonna go in with my Cetaphil facial cleanser. I love this stuff so much. I've used so many facial cleansers, and this one is probably one of my favorites so far. And I'm just using my electric face brush, exfoliant brush, to clean my face really good, and then I go back in with my hands to rinse the rest of the makeup off of my face. Now I'm going to go on with some bio oil. I like to put this on before I put my moisturizer on. My moisturizer I actually got from the Dollar Tree. It's the Dove Face and Body Lotion moisturizer, and it literally is $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. And this stuff is amazing. It keeps your face really moisturized without it making your skin super oily. To end off the night, I do go ahead and take a nice hot bubble bath and chill on the couch with my Lord. We usually watch classes and maybe catch up on a show after that. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed and hope you all have a happy Sabbath. Shalom.